So I have a problem with this. The battery is off. It's getting off, I can tell. So I'm trying to remove the seat. Now I have no idea how to do. But they say if you remove this, somehow you'll be able, if you remove this one, you'll be able to remove the seat. I think so. Well, change of plan. This one doesn't go out. So once they get the battery, because someone went to get the battery, I just bring it to the shop and I let someone do it, and I show you how to do. But I don't know. So the battery is not fitting. Actually, I thought the battery was under the seat. As you can see on the video, the battery is just there. So you don't need to remove the seat. It's just there. When the battery went off, what do you want? No food, sorry. So when the battery went off, start to die, all of the indicator and the rear light also got busted. So we also changed them, all of them. Yeah. There's a new one at the back. I mean, the guy wanted to charge us. Was the minimum charge for the labor was 50 pesos to fit, you know. So yeah, that's why. Hey, don't pee on my tricycle, motherfucker. Be careful, huh? I'm watching you. That's why I think a voltmeter actually will help to see when the battery is dying or no, you know, if you have a voltmeter on it. So yeah, tight it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Now you know how to change the battery on a CB125 from our Manila. I quite like this bike actually, just, you know, riding around town, just on a backward is nice. Fixed gear on Edza. Why not? I used to ride a fixed gear before. I had three? No, I had four in the same time. Four bicycles. So when I used to cycle in London, because before having a scooter, a cycle, basically I didn't have money at first. To get to the bus or the tube, it was very expensive. So I just started to cycle. And then I get into fixed gear, then I get a little bit more money, then I was like, okay, let's buy a nicer bike and this and that, and I end up with like a lot of expensive bicycle. Like yeah, very expensive bicycle at the end, but it was fun though. So I had like a Sinelli Marsh, I had volume thrasher, used to be trick bike. I have Nagasawa, was it Nagasawa? Nagasawa? What's the name of this? It's like a famous, I go Nagasawa, I think Nagasawa. A famous fixed gear track frame from Japan. What else? That's it. I had like maybe 6 bikes in total in 2 years, something like that. Like I went to the fixed gear life like crazy. As soon as I have money, I would just spend it on the bike. Then after my brother, who live in London, got R125, which is like the R15 in the Philippines. He just got that and he let me try, and I was like, fuck, I want a bike. And then I end up actually buying a scooter, a BWS 125, and it's exactly the same as the Mio basically. And after that I sold it and I buy a CBR 125. It was fun, huh? Fixed gear time, bicycle time. Really enjoy.